Before we dive into editing, imagine this. Your logo dramatically unfolding from a piece of paper, clean, cinematic, and ready to impress. To begin, you'll need a footage of the paper unfold animation, and I've also added 2 bonus .mogrt files in the video description for you to download. One is the paper unfolding animation, and the other is the fold paper transition. Make sure to grab them before we start. So, we begin by adding the paper unfold footage into the timeline on video track number 1. If we scroll a bit forward, you'll see that this example has an additional background behind the green screen that we need to remove first. If yours doesn't have it, you can skip this step. Now, go to the Effects window and search for Ultra key. Then add this effect to the layer. In Effect Controls, select the eyedropper next to Key Color and click on the background color to remove it. After that, go back to the Project window and drag your logo to the timeline. One track above the paper crumple. Select the newly added logo and adjust its scale and position. It's best to scroll forward until the green screen of the paper crumple is fully visible. That way, we can precisely align the logo inside it. Then, right-click on the logo and select Nest. You can name this logo and click OK. We do this for the animation to work properly, and it also allows us to swap the logo later if needed. Next, go back to the Effects window and search for Track Matte Key. Then add it to the paper crumple layer. In Effect Controls, scroll down to Track Matte Key, and in the Matte option, select Video Track 2. This will place the paper crumple inside the logo. Now, duplicate the logo by holding Alt and dragging it 1 track above. Select both the paper crumple and the logo layer above it. Then right-click and choose Nest. You can call this Paper, then click OK. Move the logo layer to video track number 1. Shift the paper 1 track up, then drag the logo to track 1. Duplicate the paper layer again by holding Alt and dragging 1 track up. Now, add the Track Matte key to the logo layer at the bottom. And again, in the Matte option, select Video Track 2. Lastly, we need to key out the green color of the top layer. Search for Ultra key once again and add it to the top layer. In Effect Controls, select the eyedropper and click on the green color inside the logo. And there you go! A clean, cinematic paper unfold logo animation ready to use.